Okay, look at Deke. Do we have homophones and homographs in Yoruba? Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Deke. If today's the first on this channel, I am super happy to have you on board. And to our new subscribers, we are so happy to have you. Welcome to the family. Yay! So in the last 2 weeks, we've been learning about homonyms in Yoruba. If you missed that class, kindly go back to the previous video we did 2 weeks ago and watch, and then come back to us quickly, and then we'll catch up from today's. Okay, so today we're going to be finding out, do we have homophones? Do we have homographs in Yoruba? But before we can go into all of that today, you know we have to greet everyone together in Yoruba language on the count of Enio, Ejio, Etaoya, Ekaro, Ekaso, Ekale. Akudeda spring gbogbo ṣe bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni olùkọ́ Aunty Deke. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lọ́sẹ̀ méjì tó kọjá sẹ́yìn a kọ́ nípa homonyms ní èdè Yorùbá. Mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ nígbàgbọ́ wípé ẹ bá àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi tán fọ́nrán ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì sẹ́yìn, wọ́n dẹ̀ kọ́ nípa homonyms èdè Yorùbá. Ní ti tòní a máa kọ́ nípa homophone àti homograph ní èdè Yorùbá. Ṣá ní homophone ní Yorùbá, ṣá ní homograph ní èdè Yorùbá. Gbogbo ìyẹn la máa kọ́ lónìí o. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì oní máa fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. All right guys, so today we're going to be finding out, what is homophone? What is homograph? Do we have them in Yoruba language or do we not have them in Yoruba language? So we're going to be finding out all of that today. So first, what is homophone? Homophones, simply put, are two or more words spelled differently, different meanings, but sound exactly the same way. Yes, for example, meat, when you eat your meat, yeah? And also meat, when you meet someone. So meat that you eat and meat when you meet someone, they sound the same, but they're spelled differently and they have different meanings. Do you get that? So let's look into Yoruba. Do we have any word in Yoruba that is spelled differently, has different meaning, but sound exactly the same way? No. Yes, Yoruba does not have homophones. No, we do not have homophones. It's amazing, but I have made my thorough research. I cannot find any. But if you find any, please challenge me. Drop it in the comment section. I would like to see what homophones you come up with in Yoruba language. Yeah? Okay, now let's think again. Do we have homograph in Yoruba? What is homograph? Homograph is spelled exactly the same way, but has different meaning and different pronunciation. For example, bow, B-O-W, bow. And then bow, bow tie. Bow is B-O-W, bow is B-O-W, but they are pronounced differently and they both have different meaning. Do you understand that? Okay, look at Deke. Since we're learning Yoruba, in Yoruba we got homograph. So we haven't got homographs in Yoruba. We haven't. But we have, Americans will say semi, British will say semi. Okay, so we have semi or semi, whichever your choice is, homograph. Okay? And this is as a reason of intonation. I remember I spent the last 2 weeks explaining about what intonation is in Yoruba, or what tonation is in Yoruba. Okay, so that is why we've got semi homograph, because of the marks, the intonation marks on them. But when it comes to the actual homograph, do we have homograph in Yoruba? No. Okay, also I promised I was going to give you one more example of homonym, right? So today, our example for today is OLA. So the first word we're coming up with from OLA is Ola. Ola means wealth. Okay, then another word there is Ola. Ola is C-O-L-A, and that is tomorrow. Okay, another word there is break, which is ola. Okay, all right. Then another one to separate, to divide. Ola. Okay, to separate or to divide is ola. Okay, then another one there is ola. You licked it. Ola. Okay, it's still the same way. Clear. Ola. Ola. Okay, so those are the ones I came up with for you this week. And if you have any more, please drop in the comment section. And if you want me to make more short videos of other examples of more homonyms that I can put in a short video for you on YouTube or on TikTok or on Instagram, let me know and I will drop them there and I'll send you the link when it's ready, or community page, the link to the examples to further homonyms. But what I'll take away from today's class is we haven't got homograph and we haven't got homophones in Yoruba language. Okay, and that will be it for today. Until I see you next time, you know we have to say our number together on the count of Enio, Ejio, Eta, Oya, O, Daba. Thank you so much, Eshu.